तो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल। आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कोर टाइप ट्रांसफार्मर एंड सेल टाइप ट्रांसफार्मर। सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द बेस्ड ऑन द construction, the transformer is divided into two parts, that is core type transformer and cell type transformer. So we have to discuss what are the differences and its construction of the core type and cell type. So first we have to discuss about the construction of core type transformer. So you can see that in the diagram the core type transformer this is the construction of core type transformer, while in the case of cell type transformer you can see that the cell type transformer. So here in the core type transformer the winding is surrounded on the core. So you can there see that winding is surrounded on the core, while in the case of cell type transformer the core is surrounded by the windings. Here you can see that the core is surrounded by the winding, so that is cell type transformer. Also in the core type transformer the lamination is cut in the form of L type strips. You can see that one strip is this and one strip is this. This is L shape. You can see that this is L shape and this is L shape. So two L shapes are laminated. The lamination is cut in the form of L strips. While in the case of cell type transformer lamination are cut in the form of long E type E and L strips. So you can see that there is the E strips is there. So you can see that E and also the L strips is there. So it is the lamination is cut in the form of E and L strips. Next, the difference is that in the core type more copper is required, while in the case of cell type less copper required. Next is that according to the cross section may be square. Here cross section is square, and here the cross section is rectangular. So this is the difference. Next point we have to discuss now. We have to discuss the next point. The next point is that what is that? Limb. So here you can see that there is how many limbs is there? One limb and two limb. Here two limb is there. Here three limb is there. So in the cell type three limb, one limb, two limb, three limb, while in the case of core type only two limb is there. Next point is that more insulation is required in core type. More insulation is required in core type, while in the cell type less insulation. Next point, while in the case of core type transformer two magnetic circuit required. Two magnetic circuit is required, while in the case of cell type, one magnetic circuit is required. One magnetic circuit is required. Next, in the case of losses, we have to discuss so here the losses is more losses in the case of core type, while in the case of cell type less losses. Next point is that maintenance is easy maintenance in the case of core type, while in the cell type the maintenance is difficult. Next point is that mechanical strength, the core type transformer mechanical strength is low mechanical strength, while in the case of cell type mechanical strength is high. Obvious, you can see that in the core type there is 2 limbs, so strength is low, but in the case of cell type there is 3 limbs, so obviously the strength is high in the case of cell type transformer. Next point is that in the case of output, so core type output is less, while in the case of cell type high output. Next is that according to the natural cooling, so here no natural cooling exists, but here in the case of cell type natural cooling is exist. Next we have to discuss about the flux. So the flux is equally distributed on the side limbs of the cores. Flux equally distributed on the side limb of the core, while in the case of cell type the central limb carry the whole flux. Central limb carry whole flux. Carry the whole flux, and side limbs carries the half of the flux. So this is about the flux. Next point is that is the important point about the winding. So here in the winding, the primary and secondary winding are placed on the side limbs. You can see that primary and secondary windings, primary and secondary winding are placed on side limbs, while in the case of cell type primary and secondary winding are placed on central limbs. So here windings are placed in the side of the limbs, where here in the cell type windings are placed in the central of the